This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off restricted mode on the YouTube app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I am on my phone now and I have the YouTube app opened up. To turn on or off restricted mode, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on your little profile icon. Then in the upper right hand corner, you want to tap on the little gear wheel. That will bring you to settings. Then under settings, the very first thing, general, you want to tap on general. And then right down here is restricted mode. It says this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. To enable it or disable it, the toggle is right here. As you can see, mine is currently toggled off, but if I wanted to enable restricted mode, I would toggle this on, and if I want to disable it, I'll toggle it off. That is how to turn on or off restricted mode on the YouTube app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.